As a scientist, I've been witnessing changing in Africa for the last 25 years, and I've seen it when I look at diseases and I look at insect transmitting these diseases. We could sense, measure, quantify differences. We have seen what we call emergences of new viral diseases or re-emergences of diseases, etc. So it's a fact. Now, physically, we know that in East Africa, for example, we already have 1 and 1.5 degree in average higher than we had in the past maybe 30 or 40 years. So these are facts. Now, there are groups of scientists busy predicting climate, as you probably know, but also scientists predicting about how to grow plants in a changing environment. And we can make maps of what's going to be the corn landscape in Africa today and the corn landscape in 2050. And the same for corn and the same for cassava or for soybean, etc. So we can do this map. And when you do this exercise, the conclusion is very simple. It's going to be difficult for most of the crop that we have today. So the existing crop, the existing plant that we have today will perform in general badly in 30 or 40 years from now, simply because the elevation of temperature, the changes in rainfall, there will be too much water in some places and there will be drought in other places. And an exception is probably cassava, and we know that cassava is what we call resilient to global warming because cassava can grow at any temperature and can wait for a better time for water. But that said, we all know, all the scientists, we know that we're going to face a general issue about how can we grow more food for many more people in Africa and developing countries in general, knowing that the plant we have today will not perform as well or badly.